Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to the cube comp. Gotta do my hair real quick, but I'm competing in 3x3. I think this one's in Provo. And as you can see, we are already up bright and early. It is super early. I got up at 6 so I could actually be awake to record. I'll cut to when we're on the way and I'll show you where it's at. Let's go. We think we found the place, but we're not entirely sure if we're going to the right spot because this one always gets bad directions. So I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. Who do we look for?
Cubing nerds.
We look for the nerds. Once we find the nerds, we find all of them. We find one, we find all of them. Round one. These are the best chairs I've ever sat in. Oh, I just dropped my tripod. I got the GAN 13 right here to practice and warm up with while I wait. I'm competing with the Tornado V3 though, so that's kind of exciting. And I'm gonna cut to the solve so you guys can see what's going on, and I'll let you know if anything happens in between. Alright friends, I'm not gonna lie, first round nerves kind of got to me, so hopefully next round I'm gonna be a little bit more calm and ready to get a good solve. What's happening? I just need to be like a 14, 13s. No higher than that. That's all I need.
Here, Ocho. Play, Smith. Play. And here.
There we go. My little friend says hi. If I can't get a really good solve for my next one, I'm out. Like I might not make it to next round, but we will see.
I'm better than him.
It's true. This kid could be crazy. I didn't stop it. We're good. That was way too close. That was so close. Okay, so looking at my numbers, it should be around a 16 to a 15 average. Hopefully it's not a 17 average, so I don't know if that's enough to get me to the next round. We're gonna check the results when they go up. I'll let you guys know if it is.
He sucks, I beat him.
It's true. This kid's crazy. I made round 2 of 3x3.
Go, round 2.
Yes. My goal for round 2 is to get a 12 average. That's like the highest goal for me because I haven't gotten a 12 average in comp before. It'd be a PB or PR. But I will be happy with 14 average, to be honest. So hopefully I can just get that 14 average, or anything better I'll take. It's a really good scramble.
Go sub 5 seconds and you can have
Sub 5? Alright, sounds like a deal. So I got 21st. I made it to the second round. I did not make it to the final. The scores of the final were 9 average for the win. My next competition is in March. It's Mega Comp. So if any of you guys that watch my videos live around here, I'll see you guys there. And real quick, I'm gonna go over my scores before I end the video. Round 2, I got a 13.13 average. So that was a lot better. And then I did not make it to round 3, unfortunately. But hopefully in Mega Comp, I'll make it. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Later.